Hello, assalamu alaikum all viewers. Today we are going to learn about the MCQs about complex number for the engineering test. So let's come we start from question number 51. What is the value of iota की power iota? So answer is 1 b minus 1 c e की power pi by 2 d e की power minus pi by 2. The correct answer is D. How? According to the complex power and also the complex power. So how we calculate iota power iota? We can write, and we can write according to the definition log of both of result is 1 iota की power iota. So we are using here the logarithm formula log of m power n is equal to n log of m. According to this formula, we are expand this one e power iota log of I, and log of I we are using augmented form log of I. If we are using here log of I of z is equal to log of z plus iota argument of z. This is if you open e iota log of iota plus iota argument of I. So here also argument of I is equal to pi by 2, that is 90 degree. So E is equal to I log of iota is, we know that iota absolute is equal to 1. So log of 1 plus iota we get here pi by 2 is equal to EI log of 1 is equal to 0 plus iota pi by 2. If we are multiply here iota multiply by iota square and pi by 2. So we get here iota square is equal to minus 1, iota square is equal to minus 1, so pi by 2. The result is minus pi by 2. Correct answer is pi by 2. 22 pi minus 4 iota की power minus 1. What is the real part of z minus inverse is equal to what? A 5, B minus 5, C 5 over 4, and D is equal to minus 1 over 4. The correct answer is 5. How? Look here. Z inverse is required. Z is given. If we Z inverse Z is given at 5 minus 4 iota whole power minus 1. If we find Z inverse, so we can write 5 minus 4 iota whole power minus inverse, both are So minus minus, so this will be positive 4 minus 4 iota. So minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, we will get here positive 1, the power is positive 1 here. So minus 4 iota, the real part of z inverse is according to the formula a plus iota b, and the real part is 5. What is the form of 1 3 iota into a plus iota b, 1 divided by 10 minus 3 divided by 10 iota, 1 divided by 10 plus 3 divided by 10 iota, 3 divided by 10 minus 1 divided by 10 iota, and d 3 divided by 10 plus 1 divided by 10 iota. So the correct answer is 1 divided by 10 plus 3 divided by 10. Correct answer is this one. According to this formula, for example, we let z is equal to 1 minus 3 iota. If we find z inverse, so we can write minus 3 iota power minus 1. So this will be changed and 1 plus 3 iota. So we multiply by the complex number and also the conjugate. So we will get here 1 minus 3 iota divided by here 1 square and minus 3 iota whole square. So 1 minus 3 iota divided by 1 minus 9 iota square. So the result is 1 minus 3 iota. Correct answer is minus, this one is correct. 1 minus 9 into minus 1. So the answer is 1 minus 3 iota divided by 1 plus 9. So the result is 1 minus 3 iota divided by 10. So the result we can separate this one, 1 divided by 10 minus 3 divided by 10 iota. The first A answer is correct. What is what is the result if z is any complex number? Z is equal to minus z, z is equal to z, and c is equal to z plus z whole square, and z is z minus 1. So the correct answer is B. If we are applying the property z is any complex number and real, then what is the result? So look here, if z is any complex number, if we are finding z or absolute z conjugate, so the result will be have both result. Real part of a, real part is a, so the real part of a is equal to z minus z is equal to z bar. This property is both results are same, so correct answer is B. rectifier of complex number z bar lies in the second quadrant lies in then z lies in the dash quadrant. First, second, third, and the fourth quadrant. So z lies z, as we know that this is Aryan x and y dash and x dash. In line f z is equal to a plus b form. So this is lies in the first quadrant, and if z bar lies in the second quadrant. So z bar is equal to a minus iota b. Now the z lies in the fourth quadrant. According to the property, this will be lies in the fourth quadrant. Then z will be according to the fourth quadrant. So the answer is correct. 4. 56. What is an imaginary part of 1 divided by 2 plus iota plus and 3 divided by 2 minus iota. Correct answer is 8 divided by 5, 2 divided by 5, 2 divided by 5 and 8 divided by 5 and 2 divided by 8. 5 by 8 and minus 2 divided by 8. Correct answer is 8 divided by 5 and 2 divided by 5. If we simplify this result, so we simplify this result, 2 plus iota into 2 minus iota is the LCM. So here we multiply 2 minus iota plus 3 into 2 plus iota. So the result will be here 2 minus iota plus 6 plus 3 iota divided by here if we square minus iota square. So the result will be 2 plus 8 and plus 2 iota divided by here 4 and plus 1. So 8 plus 2 iota divided by 5. If we eliminate 8 divided by 5 and 2 divided by 5. Correct answer is the first one. What is the value of minus 1 into 1 plus iota into minus iota? Result is 1, B minus 1, C 0, D 1 by 2. Right answer is 0. Now look here, minus 1 into 1 plus iota into minus iota. So we replace here iota square. Iota square is equal to minus 1, as we know that in the place of iota square into 1 plus minus into plus minus, and here iota into iota square. So iota square minus iota square both are cancelled, so the result is 0. Or we can write 1 minus 1 minus 1 and plus 1 both are also 0. Usually x square plus y square minus 81 is equal to 0. Z dot z absolute is equal to 9. Dot z bar is equal to minus 9. As we know that z is equal to x plus iota y, if we finding z bar is equal to x minus iota y, so if we take their product, so the result will be x iota y into x minus iota y. So we will get here x square plus y square. So z bar and z, given that x square plus y square minus 81 is equal to 0, we change this result x square plus y square equal to 81. So the correct answer is z, and z bar is equal to this one, z bar is equal to z, and z bar is equal to 81. Is the result of z absolute whole square for all z belongs to complex number. Z whole square minus z whole square, z dot z absolute, d none of these. Correct answer is this one. Because we can write according to the property. So regarding the property solution, if we find z is equal to x plus iota y, we can write z bar is equal to x square minus iota y. We are writing here x plus y, this will be x minus iota y. If we take here z and z bar, so the result will be x plus iota y into x minus iota y. The result will be x square minus iota square y is equal to x square minus 1 into y is equal to minus 1 x square plus y square. So if we are finding z absolute, so the result will be this one x square plus y square square root. If taking square on both sides, so the result will be same. Both are cancelled, the result will be x square plus y square, so the result will be same. So this property is satisfied. Z bar whole square is equal to what? Z into z bar. Question number 60. What is the polar form of iota square? A cos pi plus iota sin pi, B cos pi by 2 plus iota sin pi by 2, cos pi by 2 minus sin pi by 2, B cos pi minus iota sin pi. This is the answer. Correct answer according to the polar form z is equal to x plus iota. And we are finding the polar form of z be cos n pi plus iota sin n pi. So according to this result, iota square is equal to -1 and -1 we put here. According to this formula, we expand. So the answer is cos pi by 2 plus iota n pi. Theta generally form and cos n theta. Theta is phi here in place of this result. Thanks once again for watching. Please subscribe my channel.